What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Johannesburg, South Africa. I hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Matic, currently sitting at 57 cents. We're up 7.29 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 4.49 billion. 24-hour volume is increased all the way up to 777 million. 777, lucky number. Let's jump into the charts. So we broke this wave one high. We talked about yesterday this ascending triangle. If we break out, then we'll be looking to put in that wave three. Now there's a couple ways you can measure wave three. From the bottom of wave one up to the top to the bottom of wave two, and you're looking for a 1.618 extension, which is currently coming in at about 62.6268. But there is another way to measure it. You can take your fib retracement from the top of wave one down to the bottom, and you're looking for a 1.618 extension at the minimum for a wave three here. And we almost met that target. That was at about 60 cents. We almost hit it. So potentially this could be the top of your wave three. I would like it to see it push a little bit higher. Currently I am in a trade for Matic, currently in profits here, some juicy profits. And my price target's here at about 62 cents. If you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, it's $10 membership. Well, currently we're up on our Matic trade and just locked in some juicy gains on my Ethereum trade here. 25% exit for a 14% profit. You can sign up through the Patreon. It's $10 a month for my exact trade setups. So let's pop back into Matic. So if this were to be the top of your wave three, to measure your wave four pullback, take your Fibonacci from the bottom of wave two up to the top, and you're looking for a retracement in between the 0.382 and the 0.5. So the 0.382 is currently coming in at 55 cents, and the 0.382 is at 0.542. So we've already hit the 0.382. If we do come deeper here for a wave four pullback, look for a bounce off about 0.5426. Now to invalidate that, we have to come all the way down and break this wave one high, currently coming in at about 53 cents. Now if we continue to push up here, we could still be seeing the continuation of the wave three. This is our wave one, this is our wave two pullback. The larger wave three target is all the way up here at about 98 cents. So as I've been mentioning here, this is too small of a wave count to be the subwaves for that larger wave three. So if we were to see continuation here of the wave three, and let's say the wave three pushed all the way up to the 2.618 or even a little bit higher, then we could consider this the subwaves for that larger wave three. But as of right now, they're a little bit too small in my opinion to be the subwaves for the larger wave three target, which is all the way up here at about 93 cents. So we'll see what happens. I want to see us come up and break this high here at about 61 cents. Obviously, this is major resistance. As you can see, we have a ton of resistance in this area. We've been watching this cup and handle pattern on the daily. We have a beautiful cup and handle. So if we can come up and break this neckline, that's a huge breakout target that would take you all the way up here to about $1.15. It makes more sense to me that the wave three isn't complete yet, and we're going to see a larger wave three that could possibly take you up here to maybe about 73 cents and see the wave four pullback and see the wave five to complete that larger wave three, because as of right now these subwaves are a bit too small for your wave three target all the way up here at about 95 cents. But I don't want to get redundant. The bearish scenario to invalidate that is to come down, break this wave one high at about 53 cents and come down and lose this low here at about 49 cents, and it would invalidate that five-wave move to the upside, and we'd have to look at a different structure. But as of right now, it's playing out beautifully. Just made some juicy profits in the Discord on our Ethereum trade, and currently we are up on our Matic trade as well. So if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, make sure to sign up through the Patreon link. It's only $10 a month. Most people charge $50, $100 a month for signals, but I like to try to make it affordable for everyone. And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. That's where I do all my trading, $4,500 in bonuses, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.